guys! So I don't know why I didn't film an intro for this look, but here you go. So this is the look I wore for my outing to celebrate my 34th birthday, and I got a lot of compliments on my eyeshadow, so I was like, why not recreate it and post it here on YouTube? So that's what this video is. So I went in with the Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm using the dark brown shade to begin the shape of my eye look. And I'm not going to even attempt to try and pronounce these names because I don't want to embarrass myself or offend anybody, so I'm just going to describe the eyeshadow that I'm using. So like I said, dark brown shade on the outer corner, and then I'm going in with this lighter shade to blend out the edges of the dark brown. And I didn't really use a lot of eyeshadow for this look. Like, a majority of my looks are pretty simple when it comes to the amount of eyeshadows I use. I just am working on my blending. Like, a lot of my eye looks revolve around blending. So yeah, that's pretty much all this video is blending. Next, I'm going to be using this chocolatey brown shade mixed with this burgundy shade, and that's going to be my crease color that helps connect my dark lid color to the lighter transition colors up above my crease. So that's what I'm doing there. And then I'm going to apply the burgundy shade by itself on a flat brush and place that on my mobile lid. So initially this was supposed to be a full look where I show you my long wearing foundation routine, but I was looking back on the footage and I'm like, I can't even edit this to make it look good. And I'm not talking about like lighting and stuff like that. I'm talking about like me speaking to the camera. I am such a mess sometimes. Like I wish I could show you guys how many videos I actually film versus how many I post, because I'll look back on the footage and I think everyone does this where we're just like overly critical of ourselves, but I'm just like, I can't post this. I'm going to have to redo it. So I decided I'm just going to do a dedicated video, a complexion video on my long wearing foundation routine. And I'm talking about like long wearing where I'm going to need my face to last 10 to 12 to 13 hours without touching up. And I know sometimes like long wear foundations and concealers get a bad rap because a majority of them are super matte, and sometimes they can make you look dried out, and if you have dry skin, that's kind of scary. So in that video I'm just going to show you how I get my complexion to last without it looking really dry and cakey and making you look older than you are, pretty much. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. I'm going to try to film it here in the next week and hopefully have it posted before Valentine's Day, because I know that's the next big date night and I'm sure you want your face to be beat. So I'm going to help you out with that. So to get the shimmer on my mobile lid, I switched over to this Colourpop shadow palette, and I'm using this cranberry shade, and I'm just going to use my finger to initially apply it and then go in with a small shadow brush to bring it up into my crease area. So after I'm done blending my eyeshadow to my satisfaction, I'm going to start on my lower lash line, and I am first applying this LA Girl gel liner in the shade brown to my lower lash line, and I'm bringing it below my lashes because I'm going to use it to act like a base for the dark brown shade that I'm going to stamp along my lower lash line. And I'm also using the same pencil to tightline. I don't know what it is about these LA Girl gel pencils, but they always make my eyes water. I'm not sure if I'm allergic to the formula or whatever. Like, my eyes don't get puffy, they just water a lot. So if you have that problem too, the Milani Stay Put waterproof eye pencil in the shade Hooked on Espresso is just as good. I just couldn't find it when I was doing this eye look. And then to blend out my lower lash line, I am going in with that lighter brown shade on the fluffy brush. And and like I said, just blending. And when I bring it down too low, I do go in with a makeup wipe just to clean it up before I start my foundation. And that's pretty much the look after I apply mascara. Okay guys, final look. I mean, never mind the wig. This is just one of my everyday blonde wigs. I was going for the wet look a couple of days ago, so it's got a lot of product in it. Never mind it. Focus on the face. What do you guys think? It's a vibe, it's a look. I like smoky eyes with very dark lips. If you are into that too, then this is probably a really great look for you. You can wear this anytime you want. I know Valentine's Day is coming up. Here you go. You're welcome. Anyway, if you guys like this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And make sure that you share this video, because sharing is caring. And let me know if you guys liked it. Let me know what you want to see in the future. Let me know if I'm boring AF. Like, talk to me in the comment section. I read all my comments and I definitely respond back if it requires a response, but just know that I read everything. Anyway guys, I hope to see you in the next one. Oh, click one of these videos. I'm gonna put, like, you know, what do they call it? It's like an end trailer or something. Click one of those videos. Support your girl, okay?